Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to how have you guys been? How have you guys been? How's the trading? Yeah, so this yesterday we took a trade on gold and made a couple bucks. Made a couple bucks. Not too much, but at least it's fair. It's fair. I think it was I had a 1:5, 1:6, 1:4. I think 1:4, 1:6, one of them. But I had a 1:6 first and I had a 1:6 I had a 1:6 on XNext on my Nigeria account, and I have 1:3 or 1:4 on my Deriv account, trading the same code. Yeah, I think this is for Deriv, and Deriv is still running. We are still on it. We are still on the trade, and it's still running. That's for Deriv. That's for Deriv. That's for Deriv. This is for Deriv, and this is the one for Xness. You see, I've closed it already. So I closed it at a 1:6. I think I was satisfied. I was satisfied with that and I closed it. Yeah. And I closed the trade at 1:6. That was it. You can see, yeah, around yesterday, I told my guys that, okay, I was satisfied with where it has gotten to, that I'm closing one of my position. Yeah. Yeah. So that was that. That was that. That was that. So that's just it. So this was the result from the this is the one from the X-Next. This is the one from the X-Next, and this is the one on the reef, and it's still running. The one on the reef is still running, yet to close. So you know how we do it always. We're going to do a recap of how we took the trade and how we hit our TP, how we hit our TP. So how we hit our TP. So just follow up. Let me tell you the story of how we came about the trade and all of that. Just going to tell you how we came about the trade. So let's go to the chart. So I have the chart on two places. This is on where I do my analysis on the reef. This is where I do analysis on everything trading, apart from the reef. Because can't trade, can't get the reef chart on trading view subscribe version. Yeah. So that's just pretty just it. But I think I'm going to be using this one to tell you the story. This is the one I used to tell you the story. So you can see you can see from the chart gold is trading upwards. So you can see this is our trade line. Through this trade line, gold is trading upwards. Gold was obviously trading upwards. So what's not happen? What's not happen? Look at this. Look at this other block. This other block broke. You can see it broke this major level to the upside after reversing. It broke it after reversing at this point. Came and broke it. You can see more or less like you can see this looks like a little other block to the downside, but it failed. So this came to break it, more or less like a breaker block. A breaker block, yeah. So and it created this low before creating this high. So in essence, in everything, so I saw that this market was reversing. First, it has created this low, which is going to be used. Created this low. Look at this other block. Sorry, look at this other block. You're going to see FVG. Wait, let me take it to this chart. You can see, I marked the FVG here. Yeah, this FVG, this created an FVG here before creating. But when you retrace back, it didn't tap into the FVG. You see, market didn't tap into the FVG before creating another high. So it was obvious that market was going to come back to this last order block, other block that broke this level. So it was obvious market was going to come back to it. come back to this FVG, this other block that broke this. So you know how market moves. You know gold might not retrace to the other block completely, but once it taps on the FVG, it's going to kick up, continue its move. So that was pretty just it for gold. So this one retracing back and not tapping into the FVG created that was a liquidity for this FVG or this other block. And again, we could see that our trade line could align with this point of order block, this point of the other block. So our trade line was aligning. So market was reversing. So I was watching it. I watched it throughout the night. Saw that market was reversing. It came, got to this point. This was also an AVG. See, respected this order. This is also a mini order block, but another AVG respected it. But it's not enough because there's still another order block, another AVG that is yet to be free and was aligning with our trend line. So it came back and got to this trend line. And what you see, you see what was the confirmation I used there. You see this confirmation. This this is this is one of the confirmations I use when trading generally, not just for gold and every other asset. I've used it on the V100 years, or I'm expecting it to form on the 100s or the 4 hour time frame right now. And once it form, trust me, we are selling. So once I see this candle happen on my POI, pop, I'm shooting. I'm shooting. Sometimes I don't even wait for it to form completely. So when I see a drop, look at this red candle. When I see this red drop and a reversal, and this when I see this red drop and this fucking rejection, or maybe a pin bar rejection, or this dodgy rejection, plus an engulfing candle following up, those three candles, pop. This is a secret I'm showing you for free. I'm using this from experience. Pop, the market is going to revert. So immediately I saw this candle, this red one, on my POI on our FVG, the anticipated FVG, close to our trade line, this red one and this rejection line, I got into the trade. So I got in on my dairy first. I got in on my dairy first and I got in. So this was the this where I still expect this market to get to. So you can see here on the reef is giving the here on this chart is giving like 1:16, which is out of range. Let's see where it has gotten to. Market got to 1:14, let's say 1:15. But I actually got out at 1:6, that is around this point. Because I was expecting a reaction or Kinikon from this place. That was why I got out of the trade from my XNES account. So around the 1:6, did the 1:6, then I got that. But on the you can see for this thing, this is just giving a 1:4 on my trading view. So this is why I'm still holding my derivative account. I'm still expecting it. I'm expecting it to still come out, sweep this liquidity before it comes down, before I'll close. By my close, if this thing drops from I'm already in profit. I don't actually care, but I still expect it to come out, sweep this before we settle the downside. So that's just it. So that's pretty just it. So 15 minutes. So you can see. So he gave us the just switch ratio, this 1:6 trade, and we got that. I got that on my XNES account, while my derivative account is still running. So this is just it. This is it. Sorry, I'm trying to show you where I told my community guys that we should close. Okay, okay. So I look at my second number, case exchange. So I say, let's see how this candle close. Close, please. I've closed, sha. So my guy said he was still holding. Well, it's good for him, yeah, but I've closed my XNS position, which was more important because I needed that money real quick. So this is my derivative account. The gold position is still running, while this was the what's it called? The XNS one I closed at 1:6. So I told you I was expecting a sell. That's why you can see this. I sold, but we hit stop loss. I'm expecting a sell, a little sell reaction, but failed. So Mostly, I want most of my trade I risk about 2,000 bucks. So that was 1:6, 1:5. If you hit stop loss, I lost about 2,000 or 2,500 or something. But if I go to TP, 20,000 and the like. So that's just it. Good. That's just it. So this is it. You can see the one for this is the Xness account. This is where I left the trade for the Xness account, which is one I just showed you. And this is the derivative. You see, it's still running. So that was how we caught a war ratio four, a war ratio six, and we're still on the war ratio four on the gold. So that's pa- that's see you on our next video. Be there. See you guys on my next video. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for subscribing. Please share this channel to your friends who are interested in trading so that they could go learn from one of the best and I'm not the best and one of the best there that is actually trading. Yeah. We are also having our classes. Having our classes. We are not so expensive. You can hit us up either on WhatsApp or Telegram to join our class or join our signal room. Our signal room is just $30 for 2 months. It's not so expensive. Just $30 for 2 months. And that's just it. Yeah. Thank you. See you in our next video.